Are you tired of wasting hours just trying to migrate your website? Does it scare you that a single wrong click could wipe everything out in a second? Hey, relax. TZSMM Host has your back. Our auto migration system handles everything for you, safely, instantly, automatically. First, open your TZSMM Host Dashboard. Click on Services, then select My Services. Choose the hosting service where you want to restore your migrated cPanel account. Scroll to the bottom and go to the Migration section. Click Start Migration. A migration pop-up will appear on your screen. Before continuing, read the warning carefully. Now fill in your remote hosting details. Remote server IP, the server from which you are migrating. Remote username, the cPanel username of the old hosting account. Remote password, the password of that old cPanel account. Once done, click Confirm and start migration. A very important note, do not close or refresh your browser tab while the migration is in progress. Once the process is finished, you will see a success page confirming that your migration is complete. Your hosting has been successfully migrated to TZSMM Host.